Today we're going to see how to use decimals and operations with mental math strategies. Okay, so in this video we're going to see very quickly how we can use multiplications that we know to determine new multiplications with decimals, and you can use mental math strategies here. How to use it. So I'm going to just show you with this example. You can see in this example that let's say that you have this multiplication already and you want to know these two operations. Okay, so look at that both numbers are the same, so it means that the answer should have the same the same numbers, but we need to understand where are the decimals, and this is the strategy that I propose you can use. As you can see here in the multiplication, we have 0.8, so I'm going to convert this 8 into 0.8. So I'm going to divide by 10, moving the decimal place from after the 8 to before the 8. So I'm going to move the decimal place here, and that will be divided by 10. But if you divide by 10 to the right side, you have to divide by 10 to the left side. So I'm going to divide by 10, so the decimal point will be here now. And the other number is 2.53, so it means that if my decimal point is here, I need to divide by 100. I need to move it twice, so I need to move this number twice. Okay, and now I found what is my number. The multiplication of 0.8 and 2.53 will be just 1.024. Okay, this is the first way in which you can operate to have the actual number. I'm just using decimals. Obviously you can do it with your mind, mental math. Now what happens if you need the division? As you can see on the right side, what happens if you want to know the division of these two numbers? Okay, if you need to know the division of these numbers, essentially we're gonna have the same situation. Just look at that, we have the same numbers, and we're going to, my proposal is for you to convert from this multiplication, convert the numbers. So I have 10.24, so I'm going to divide by 100 to have 10.24. Okay, so if I divide by 100, maybe it could be possible that I divide by 100 this number as well, so I got 10.24 here and 2.53 here. Okay, but I need 25.3, so it means that this number 2.53, I should multiply it times 10. Okay, but I'm not going to change the decimal place on the right side because I will get 102 and I want to get 10.24. So to equalize the operation, what I'm going to do is that if I multiply by 10 this number 20 to get 25.3, I need to divide this number by 10 to have 0.8. Okay, so basically what I have is that 0.8 times 25.3 is 10.24. So the answer of this multiplication, of this division, 10.24 divided 25.3 is 0.8. And as you could see, the only thing that I did was to move decimal places to equalize the expression. And remember, if you divide on one side of the equation, so divide on the other side, Or if you have two factors, if you divide one factor by a power of 10, multiply the other factor by a power of 10. And in this way, you can have the answers having the other multiplications. It's something that it's pretty simple. It's something that obviously I'm showing you here in a notebook, but the best idea is if you do it in your mind, because this is going to help you to do mental math strategies, to do multiplications easily, and to improve in your brain ability. And that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you have an excellent day, and see you in the next occasion. Bye bye, with other mental math strategies. Bye.